Hi everyone, I'm Angelina and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. We are doing our best to just pump out the upcycles that you want to see. And so today I have an update for the channel. It's something that I started a while ago, but there are some changes. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up of what's changing. And what's changing is my membership group. I started off with just one membership level, but now to be able to give you guys more of what you really want, I've listened to you guys' feedback and I've actually been working on this for a while, but I wanted to make sure that when I offer it, it's something that I can actually offer you guys and be consistent. So I hope you guys are super excited to find out that we are doing levels. We're doing tiers of membership now. So even if you can't afford to do a higher level and you want to support the channel, then that is amazing. And the reason for memberships is, one, to be able, like I said before, to be able to give you guys a higher level of experience, like a one-on-one experience, as well as to support this channel. Like for instance, me buying the sewing machines to review, that was something that I did because I wanted you guys to be able to see a test of a real test of those sewing machines before you actually purchase them. So doing memberships allows me to do things like that, as well as keep this channel running and stuff like that. So we have 3 levels and I'm going to introduce them to you and go through. If you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up in the comment section below. But tier 1, Team Renegade, you will get a weekly sneak peek of the projects that I'm doing. So typically I'm trying to do 2 videos a week. That means 2 sneak peeks per week, and you'll find out what I am planning to do. You can leave me feedback as to whether that's something you've been waiting on, or if you have other suggestions, you can definitely hit me up and let me know. Along with that and all the membership levels, you also get the emoji next to your name. So quick, go down in the comments if you see anybody with a B for Blueprint DIY. It's either pink or gold. That lets you know that they are part of Team Renegade, and I appreciate you guys so much who have been rocking with me from the beginning, and I'm so happy to welcome so many more of you guys. That membership level is $199. Now I have a $499 membership level, which is Team Renegade VIP, and for the VIP group, what you'll get is merch discount. So my merch, a lot of the times the t-shirts that I wear, they're in the merch shelf down below, and you get a $5 discount on all of my merch there, as well as advanced viewing of my videos. So that means no matter how far in advance I do a video, as soon as it hits YouTube, even if the thumbnail is not finished yet, you will get to watch it first. So I hope you guys are super excited about that, because you know, sometimes you just don't want to wait. So and in this group you will also get occasional updates. Like for instance, there are certain things that happen in my life that I can't share to the public yet. So like my membership group knew that I got the Sell Right sewing machine well before anybody else. So they knew that I had gotten that, and they actually know the circumstances behind how I got it. And it's a very like inspirational story, at least to me, and I wanted to share it with them. So different things like that. And then there's some things that they know that are still in the works already. So yeah, that this group will definitely get occasional whenever I have something that you guys know I can't keep a secret. So this actually helps me to be able to say I told somebody, but I didn't tell all the wrong people. But yeah. And then the highest tier is going to be Team Renegade VIP Supreme. Yes, and this group, I hope you guys are super excited, because I am. This group is going to be doing a monthly, you have the opportunity to be in a monthly live upcycle with me. And I don't mean where it's like YouTube live. This is Google Hangout, Google Meet Live, where you see me and I can see you. We can ask questions, get to know each other, stuff like that. So it's going to be an intimate group, no more than 20 people. The invitation will go out and it's a first come first serve basis. But if you're in that group, you will get the invitation once a month. It's the first Monday evening of each month. So we have a schedule set. We've already done one. It was amazing. Oh, look, she got on her puffy shirt. Yay!
I had on my shirt today.
Okay, you guys ready to gather? T-shirts, and I'm doing an Adidas one. Miss Jackie's doing a Netflix one. Say hi. If you were in the first one, definitely comment below how you felt about it. But yeah, I'm super excited about that. We take one of my upcycles and actually do them together. Sometimes it can be hard when you're doing it by yourself, and even in the Facebook group sometimes it's hard. So this gives you guys an opportunity to directly learn from me, and we just all do it together, chit chat, and you know, just have a good time. So I'm super excited about that. And that group will also have a weekly vlog of I'm calling it behind the scenes rather than behind the scenes, just of my crazy life, what I go through to get these videos out to you, what I go through as a widow, what I go through as a single mom, and how I get these videos out to you. You'll be surprised some of the stuff that goes on behind the scenes. So I'm super excited about that. And that group is $19.99 a month. So I hope you guys are super excited. Definitely click that join button. There's another little video introducing that down there. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And I'm super excited to connect with you guys more on a one-on-one basis in that group. So I hope you guys are excited, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.